Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while that I've uploaded, but today I am back with this look. This is my daily go-to look. Like when I need to get up, this is what I do to my face. So yeah, if you guys wanna see how I do it, and this is also travel edition, what all I carry when I'm traveling, and also a video is coming up where I show what's in my travel makeup bag. Stay tuned for that, and do not forget to subscribe, and let's get started with the video. And a disclaimer, my skin is doing real bad. You're gonna see a face with dark circles and pimples, so if you want to see that, just keep on watching. So let's start with some skincare. I won't show you guys what all are exactly here in this particular video because I have filmed what's in my travel makeup bag, so wait for that. So I will use this Innisfree Perfect 9 Repair Skin. This is a serum, so I'll just pat it gently. So normally if I am not using this serum because it's in a travel pack and I don't have the full size, and if I don't use it, I'll just use my favorite moisturizer or any serum that I like. You can use whatever suits your skin. So this is just the lotion from the range. I can use this one, or else I can use the MAC Stroke Cream as well, but I think I'm just going to use both. I'm feeling super dry. I need some lip balm. Okay, so actually my skin is feeling a lot better now, so I think I'll just skip this. This is the trick with makeup. You don't have to pile on everything that we see on YouTube, because from YouTube I have learned doing my makeup. So I know they show that every step you have to do, but it's not like that. You just need to find your own style, what suits you. If contouring suits you, do it. If it doesn't, leave it. Do not do it. Just know your face, know your features, and know how your skin is feeling that particular day, and just prep it like that. So now I think my skin is nicely moisturized, so I'm not going to use any other cream. So straight away what I do next is I move on to concealer. So this is my go-to concealer. This is Maybelline Age Rewind, and I'm in the shade medium. It's not a brightening concealer. This is just my skin tone. So I'll just apply it on the usual areas. And this is how much concealer I actually apply. I just start applying it from this side of my nose and drag it up till this. I do not make a triangle because that just is not needed. Now see, when I blend it, it covers all. You don't need to apply so much concealer. But do not just drag and make a whole triangle. That's not the way you actually do it. And whatever is left in the sponge, I'm just taking it like over my lid. So yeah, that's it for concealers, you know. And you can see I have some pimples here. You can see I have some pimples, I have some zits here as well. So for covering them, first of all, I don't mind them being like this. But for you guys, whoever want to cover it, do not use the tip directly. Take a Q-tip, take some product, apply it, and you are done. Do not just... that will just get infected, so just use this trick. So now if you have hyperpigmentation around the mouth, if it looks a bit dark here, go ahead, use the concealer just in the smallest quantity. Sorry. So just go like this and a bit here. Then just blend it. And whatever is left, just take it on the bridge of your nose, your forehead, wherever you want it. I'm really sorry, the lighting is changing because of the sun. So anyways, I carry two powders. This is the normal Maybelline powder, super white, that I love using, and this is Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana powder. I carried it in this little tub because I don't need to carry the full size. So I use it just to set my under eyes. Again, taking it in the sponge. Next up, taking this powder and a fluffy brush from Wet n Wild. This is the powder brush. So now for the eyebrows, yeah. And the only eyebrow product I carried was this. This is the Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit in the shade 5. Yeah, number 5. So I'm just going to lightly fill my eyebrows following my eyebrow shape. Do you guys want to see how I do my own eyebrows? It's been like 2 years. I don't go to any parlor or something to do my eyebrows. I just do it by my own. So if you guys want to see that, comment down below. Yeah, so both my eyebrows are filled, and now what I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to use a bit of blush. So the only blush I carried is this one. This is the Milani Baked Blush in Berry Amore. So one thing I want to tell you guys is that I don't use all of this stuff regularly. I don't do makeup daily. When I go to college or something, I don't. I'm just showing this to you guys so that if you have some events coming up and you just want to get ready for it, just a little bit, then you can do it. And this is how I do it if I have like some day event and I have to go out somewhere where I need to dress up. This is what I do. The upcoming things will be optional, and these steps are totally optional. If you feel like putting on a blush, a contour, highlighter, do it. If you don't, leave it. You don't need it. So now another optional thing is bronzing or contouring. So I'm going to show you how I do it. Not necessary. Again and again I'm saying the same thing because it's really not. So I'm taking this NYX eyeshadow brush for nose contouring. This is in the number 17. If you want some depth in your eyes, you can just use the same bronzer for your crease. So now moving on to mascaras. I carried these two with me. The first one is Lash Paradise from L'Oreal, and the second one is, this is the Colossal Volume Express from Maybelline. Yes, I have curled my lashes and now I'm going to move on to the mascara. So today I'm going to use the normal Colossal one. So now that we are done with everything else, we are going to move on to our lips. So first I'm going to use this lip liner from PAC. This is in the shade Mauve. This is a beautiful lip liner. I'll also fill my lips in with the same pencil. So this is the lip liner. If you want to top it off with some lipstick, you definitely can. I'm going to apply this one right now. This is from Maybelline Intimatte collection, I believe, and this is the shade Almond Pink. And yeah, that's the finished look. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that I can deliver more videos like this, and definitely leave video requests. I know I was late, like I did not upload for maybe a week or two. I'm really sorry for that, but I am back on track and you guys will get back to back nice videos, and see you next time. Bye bye.